5 everyday makeup hacks for a natural glow. Hi, Pearl Beauties. Are you ready to enhance your beauty routine with effortless hacks? Today, I'll share 5 simple yet effective makeup tips to achieve that natural glow we all adore. Let's get started. Looking naturally radiant doesn't have to take hours or break the bank. These hacks are perfect for busy mornings or when you want to keep things light and breathable while still feeling gorgeous. Start with a lightweight base. Blend your foundation with a pea-sized amount of moisturizer for a dewy, skin-like finish. Brighten your eyes instantly by lining your waterline with a nude pencil. It gives an awake, fresh look. For a lifted appearance, apply blush slightly above the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards towards the temples. Run out of highlighter? Dab a touch of lip balm on your cheekbones for a natural, glossy highlight. Keep your brows looking groomed and polished by using clear mascara. It's quick, effective, and doubles up as a lash setter too. Remember, Pearl Beauties, your beauty shines brightest when you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. These hacks are here to enhance what's already uniquely yours. Keep smiling and glowing. If you found these hacks helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to join our Pearl Beauties community, and share the glow with your friends. See you next time.